All right, I'm going to talk a little bit about this next feature in Canvas Chat, which I thought was pretty cool when I first implemented it. It's called web search. What if you didn't have to leave your conversation in order to search the web, right? Like, we're already operating the browser. Yes, I know it's easy to switch to a new tab and come back, but what if you didn't have to do that? So one of the things that I did do inside Canvas Chat was to put a / command so you can search the web. This does require the Exa API, so you will need to have an Exa API key. However, just in case, I do have a backup, and that is to use basic DuckDuckGo search. And so I'm going to show it both ways. So let's do search with Exa. And because recently I've been studying quantum computing just for funsies and for work as well, I might want to do something like search for the latest developments in quantum computing. And I hit enter. The search node for Exa will show up, and I'll actually get 5 search results by default. These guys over here. And so then I might be interested in, say, this one. I could click on this and that will bring me to a new window. What if I just wanted to quickly look at the web page, right? So I have a way to fetch the content and get a quick summary of it straight away, all done by AI assistants. So I'm going to zoom back out. And let me actually make this a little bit nice, just get the hierarchical layout done correctly. Cool. And so what I've done here is I've actually shown how we can use Exa's API to do search first. But what if you don't have an Exa API key? The way that I'm going to simulate this is I'm just going to delete my Exa API key from here on the settings tab. And then I'm going to do another search. And it's going to be search latest developments in quantum computing. And so I'll get a DuckDuckGo search, and DuckDuckGo will give me search results that way. And in this case, DuckDuckGo itself is giving me 10 of those. I'm actually going to separate things out by looking at the force-directed layout instead. Oh, I see. That node went up there. So if I just re-click that, now it's a little bit more nicely separated out. So I got search results from Exa, and I've got search results from DuckDuckGo. And both of them are viable options. And the same fetch and summarize also works. A little caveat then is that not every one of these will work. If you have CAPTCHAs to pass or other things, then that might not necessarily work, because this is, after all, an automated way of grabbing web pages. But let's just see if we can find one that actually does work. And that gave me a 429. How about this guy? Restack.io. Takes a little bit of time. I might do that one in parallel while I'm at it. There we go. One of them did fetch. Exa will obviously be a better experience, but regular DuckDuckGo search should also work as well, and can give you the ability to search and fetch web pages directly within the canvas. All right, so basically that's all about searching the web. Really, it helps search results become part of your chat conversation. And so that allows you to research without context switching. And in the next video, we'll do deep research reports.